Perfect. Highlight. Next one. One more. One more. Come on. Come here. Smile. Smile. She's like too much light. Good job. I got it. I got the shot.
Good.
Are you done? Are we done here?
Now,
Here, come here,
now
Monica.
move out the way.
I'm sorry.
Right.
Oh, she's done. No, no. There's go.
You said there are 4 games or 6 games today?
Oh, you can't see. You can't see.
There you go.
It's good, man.
I like your hat, man.
Hey, baby.
Nice hat. How about you, Yoda? Where's your hat?
Hey. No.
Oh, your food. I'm sorry.
No.
I was like, what the heck,
That's
man?
dirty. That's dirty. Don't touch that, okay? That's dirty.
He's testing you.
That's dirty. Okay? That's dirty, okay? Okay, well, stop there, not that.
Nice. Didn't even have to move for that one. Look at you.
Hey.
Too far. Sorry, that was a bad one.
Because you had yoga.
Yeah, it was funny. When she got done,
Oops.
Yoda was like kind of couch in my lap and she got really
Really?
Maybe we won't be getting it.
Wow. There's a good chance we won't be having another life creature in our house.
Well, you said that she was like the same way with cats.
Yeah. It's just the person.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is the person.
The same like territorial.
Yeah.
But you didn't think that she would find it.
I,
There you go.
Yeah, that.
how did she do with the other 2 dogs? With
Oh, Hilo and
Yeah.
Rose.
uh-huh.
Uh-oh.
Rose is kind of like.
Come on, pick it up.
Spicy. Spicy. The little one.
Hilo reminds me of Yoda.
I feel like is he taller? She's way taller.
No.
Did I get it?
What was those
Here.
people at
Man.
here, like chasing each other in the backyard?
Oh.
Hilo.
No more.
Big one.
No more hats. Why do you think?
Rose is the one that's always injured.
Really? But she's loud mouthed.
Yeah.
Yeah, Larnie's the one who actually found Yoda. Pet finder.
Oh, wow.
Oh,
Yeah. She's like, what about him?
That was a rescue dog, Yoda?
Yeah.
What was
Stay.
Yoda's condition before?
Hey.
Condition before.
When I read his file, they said his hind legs, like he wasn't walking right. Like he was like, I don't know, limping. Is that what you would call it
So
for
it
dogs?
was like just neglect.
Yeah. When he's scared is if you like raise anything that like resembles a stick too. Like he gets really submissive. Here, watch. Come here, buddy. Come here. Come here. Hey, no. Hey, he's getting scared. See, like he starts shaking.
What, yellow?
Really?
No, anything like a stick.
What was shaking?
You want this? Like he just gets really scared. You want this? Yeah, maybe. All right, come on. You can eat now.
No.
Oops.
You want this?
Sit, sit, sit. Sit. You want a race? You want a race? She's like, what? Uh-oh.
That was funny, like
Oh, you
Mike
did?
Miller
Mm-hmm.
went to like look when LeBron was getting his applause.
Vanilla. Haven't heard from
Mike
her
Miller was
forever.
just kind of intercepted the applause and everyone like that.
Oh, yeah?
He's done that. I think he's done that before.
Who's Mike Miller?
He's one of the players for the Cavs.